Your request for coverage of Zolgensma for Maisie is therefore approved. You guys, we did it.
Oh, amazing emotional video we're following up for you tonight in our continuing coverage. More now and that true miracle for one Colorado family.
We've been closely covering the story of Maisie, a baby born with an extremely rare genetic disease, and a new drug could save her life, but it's also the most expensive one in the world with a price tag of $2.2 million.
Well, just days ago, in a shocking turn of events, insurance came through, saving her life. USI's Bree Groves spoke with the family and has their story.
This is nothing short of amazing. As a parent, watching your kids struggle, it's the most unimaginable pain. And even though there is still a long road ahead for baby Maisie, she's going to be there to take it. But this was no easy feat. The family denied the treatment many times before this, and they were desperately seeking help. Doctors chalked it up to low muscle tone, but CG's gut told her something else.
I feel like I'm losing my baby girl. I feel like I'm going to lose her.
Following her intuition, she immediately headed to Denver with baby Maisie in tow.
Started running tests that night, and we tried to feed her, and her oxygen saturation just dropped.
Right away, the doctors had a hunch.
And they were like, whoa, 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 quit feeding her, quit feeding her.
Giving CG the news that it was possibly SMA just didn't take at first.
In modern technology, modern day, you don't think that there's anything that can't be fixed.
But that's not the case with SMA.
And she put her hand on my hand, and I just lost it. I knew in that moment that it was really something bad, and I was like, why are you touching me? Why? Don't touch me. I don't want you to touch me.
Spinal muscular atrophy is a very rare genetic disorder.
Hello?
The muscles needed for speaking, walking, breathing, and swallowing are destroyed. The brain stays intact, but eventually, Maisie will lose the ability to eat or even breathe.
Thank you.
The life expectancy of type 1 SMA is 2 years. Going into survival mode, CG found a clinical trial for Zolgensma, a gene therapy used to stop the disease in its tracks.
We got diagnosed, 7 days passed, so we missed the clinical trial.
But that was just the beginning of their hurdles. Maisie was in the hospital for months when they found another trial with the drug.
Maisie was 9 kilograms,
She needed to be 8.7.
and she was 4 days away from her first birthday.
The cutoff, 1. And then hope came when the FDA extended the approval of the drug to 2 years.
That day, I called 20 doctors at the hospital, just, okay, we want it, how do we get it?
After being denied by insurance and given other drugs to slow the progression,
And it's pretty traumatizing. It's a spinal tap every 4 months.
they were told it was unlikely they could get Zolgensma in time.
But it comes with a $2.2 million price tag.
The trial is solely for commercial insurance companies, which eliminates any affordable payment method.
I know it is possible. A family in Florida did it, and they did it in 4 days. Actually, it was quite an amazing achievement for them, and we're really happy for them. Their little girl got the drug, but I don't have it in my back pocket.
That means Maisie needs our help.
If 1 million people donate $2, we could do this. We could save a life.
A life of a beautiful, typical little girl on borrowed time. Maisie is just one story with a miraculous ending. Not everyone gets that. But now her family plans to create a nonprofit to help others along a similar journey. They want to get testing for SMA on newborn screenings as well. If you'd like to learn more, click on Maisie's story at KOAA.com. Watching out for you, Colorado, I'm Bree Groves.
Great stuff. We plan to continue to track Maisie's story, her treatment, and her recovery. We'll be right back.